Located on Royce Lane corner Janice Road, Livingston, Texas, you can own this 0.32-acre lot for only $200 down. This beautiful property is minutes from Lake Livingston, where you can enjoy boating and fishing. If you are looking for a place where you can place your RV, mobile home, or manufactured home, this is the perfect lot for you. Electricity and water are available in the area, but will require installation. A septic system is also required. There are no POA fees, and the property taxes are only $14 per year. Owner financing is available. At AGT Properties, we make it easy for anyone to own land in Polk County, Texas. Make your dreams come true today. Choose AGT Properties. Investments for a lifetime.